action. I'm Critter.
I'm, Dirt Clod.
Welcome to the Space Age Slick City Demolition Derby Thunder Pit. Woohoo! Mr. Out of Sight, Mr. Dynamite, Torque Dipstick has the pole position for today's derby.
Mr. Dipstick? Torque?
What was that name, honey?
Junior.
Junior. Keep your foot on the gas and keep reaching for the stars. Your buddy, Torque.
Nuts to you, Dipstick. That ought to slow you down.
Hey, what's the diggity-dang-dang deal?
You didn't see nothing, squash head. Thanks.
Mr. Dipstick, stop!
Keep it between the ditches.
And they're off.
Bunch of cars enter and one car leaves.
Smash, crash.
Toward B pass.
See you in the junkyard. Lightweights. There we go.
Crash Kudzu puts the whammy on the Volare Viper.
Awesome.
Here comes Torque Dipstick in his blue plate special.
Driving soldiers from the sky. Fearless men who crash and die. Men who mean just what they say. These are the men of the Demolition Derby. What in the Sam Hill?
Shake, rattle, and roll, Dipstick.
Mr. Dipstick's in trouble. I gotta get on the good foot.
Road rule number 1, little flying melon-headed fan. Never take rides from strangers.
Yo, Dipstick. Too bad you got a split.
Yowza!
We got this derby sewn up. Thanks, helpful melon-headed youngster.
Okay, Pumpkinhead. Check out my magnetic personality. You're dead meat, Dipstick.
T-3 and count.
Rest in pieces.
2, 1, ignition and liftoff. All right, hoo-wee.
Pilot to co-pilot, flying Plymouth at 12 o'clock. Confirm.
It's awesome.
What's the diggity-dang-dang deal?
We diggity-dang-dang. Done it, Mr. Dipstick.
Thank you. Now, I'm no stranger to danger, but I couldn't have done it without the help of my fans. And my good buddy, Patches. To that #1 cinema gun, Patches.
Torque Dipstick.